Yo, what's good with y'all? What's good with y'all, man? Today I'm back again with another video. Today we're reacting to another horror film. Yes, another short horror film. Horror film, not horror film. You know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna be reacting to a short horror film called The Cat People. Nah, I'm just ready to. Anyways, I know you ready. I'm just gonna check it out. We just gonna check it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually pretty not. This. Oh, listen. I'm just gonna get straight to it. Yeah, I'm just gonna straight to it. Let me cut the lights off again, bro. Let's check it out. Hello. Excuse me, how you get on my car? Emily?
Great. Hi, yes? Can you send someone? My car is out of gas.
First of all, why are you...
Need to look up the address. Can I text you my location? Great. Thanks.
Pop the gas cover?
That scared the mess out of me, bro. First of all, how you open the trunk car thing?
Thank you so much for coming. I swear I had at least a half tank.
Hello, Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Get back. What are you doing? Yup, she pretty get folded. Yup. She pretty get body. Watch this.
Please, I have a dog at home I need to get back to.
I'm a cat person.
Now, that was a little bit short. I had to make that short today because, you know what I'm saying, some technical difficulties, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned for the next video. Oh, and this was like a quite twisted. This was like a plot twist to this whole story. Like I thought, like it was like a whole plot twist in the end of the story. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Stay safe. I'm out.